Dear brothers and sisters, I think you're doing well. What are the reasons for me to sell? H4 time frame, it's a big momentum sell, huge bearish candle. I will use Fibonacci retracement to find entry levels on this downtrend. Price already reacted to first entry zone, and I hope price will continually drop to next entry zone. Daily time frame, price failed to break trend line. Market reacted to our setup nicely. I managed to grow this account from $7 to $34. Yes, I've changed. My old version was too weak. Try me now.